G'day and welcome to Ozpig. Tried and tested with 15 years of experience, the Series 2 is designed as the perfect all-rounder. The Series 2 is the all-round wood-fired cooking and heating solution. Great at home or for when you're out on adventure, the Series 2 is portable and powerful and is equally at home in your outdoor entertaining space as it is in a four-wheel drive, caravan or camper trailer. With its round stovetop design, the Series 2 boasts true versatility. Straight over the fire, you've got your barbecue plate, which can easily swing off to keep your food warm while you continue to cook, and so you can enjoy the ambience of the open fire. Take the cooking plates off and place them down to the side, and this creates the perfect open stove, which allows you to add pots, pans, char grill plates, camp ovens, rotisseries, and oven smokers. This gives you maximum flexibility and flavours born from fire at home or when you're away. The conical chimney is designed to create a better draw for the fire, especially when you have the door closed. The Ozpig packs down into itself and weighs less than 20 kilograms and is the perfect all-rounder to take away with you or leave set up on the patio or back deck at home. With the spark arrestor on top, we're greatly reducing the chance of embers flying out and potentially starting spot fires. Each unit features a thick, solid steel construction, zinc-plated legs, fully steel-pressed shape and robot-welded seams. This ensures the Ozpig won't twist, buckle or distort under high heat like cheaper materials.